So what name should I assign to my Azure VM? As you know, the VM name is used as the computer name, which is configured as part of the operating system. On a Linux VM, you can specify a name up to 64 characters, while on a Windows VM, the limit is 15 characters. As a system engineer, you are responsible for defining the naming convention for your Azure VMs. That said, the Azure VM naming convention should be tailored to your specific environment. However, many companies adopt the following standardized naming convention for their servers when transitioning to cloud environment. As you can see, a server name usually contains 5 elements. The first element is the location, which is limited to 3 characters. For example, MAZ for Microsoft Azure, AWS for Amazon Web Service, OCI for Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, and CHI for an on-prem server in Chicago. The second element is region, which is also limited to 3 characters. The region refers to the data center location of the cloud provider. Therefore, this element only appears in the names of the cloud servers. For example, EUS for East US, JW for Japan West, and the next element is environment, and you only need 1 character. For example, P for production, D for development, Q for QA, and U for POC or user acceptance. And the next element is a role, which you can use up to 5 characters. For example, DC for domain controller, web for web server, fin for a finance application. And the last element is the instant count, which is limited to 3 characters. For example, the first instant is 01, the second instant is 02,